So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker and you want paid time off, if you want paid time off, sick leave, you want protection if you get into accidents, if you want income protection, if you want protection if you ever get deactivated, hospitalized, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back as well, there's a brand new company that just launched and they got $1.6 million in funding. They're doing same day cash transfers to drivers, to gig workers for, you know, paid time off, all that stuff. If you want that, the company is called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month. But again, if you use my link, you get 30 days for free. No commitments, no annual contracts. You can cancel and pause at any time. The company is called Cover. At least check it out. At least click my link down below and accept that gift of 30 days for free. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a new company that is paying Uber and Lyft drivers up to $100 extra per month. And all you have to do is put a tablet in the back seat of your headrest, in the back of your car, for your passengers to play games on. And don't worry, it is COVID friendly. They have a contactless option where the passengers can play games. I'm gonna get into all of the details, and actually they just launched in Canada for the first time, so this is really exciting. So I know a lot of my Canadian drivers out there have been asking, because most of these things apply to the United States, but this is in Canada, so share this with anybody you know that drives in Toronto. And by the way, you have to be within 75 miles of any of the markets, and they're in a ton of markets. They're almost going nationwide. So I'll get into where exactly they are, how you make the money, and other secrets to get more money too, because there are some other ways you can even make more than $100 extra per month. By the way, I'll have a link down below to sign up for Play Octopus if you want. I use Play Octopus. I have it. I'm currently doing more food delivery right now, which is the reason why I don't have it rigged up in my car. But I have made a setup video, and you can just type in Rideshare Hub Play Octopus setup. It takes about a minute to set up. It's easy, and it's a free tablet, by the way. It comes with the data plan, and did I mention it's free and they pay you? By the way, this is like in my opinion, they're the most legitimate company that pays Uber and Lyft drivers. Like, I'm trying to think of any other companies that pay Uber and Lyft drivers that is more legit. There is Stereo as well. That's the company that pays you to put to play music in your car. I'm just gonna say Play Octopus is, like, in my experience, 10 times better than that company. Cargo, they used to do the little snack box here. Now they do on top of the car ads. Again, I'm just saying Play Octopus. Well, I mean, I don't know. I don't know that much, but they changed their model out of the blue, and now it just, I don't know. They left me in the dust. I don't know what to do. I still have my box, but can't make any money with it anymore. So Play Octopus is definitely there's like car wrapping companies too that pay you to wrap your car up, but like those are also hard to make a lot of money on. Yeah, I'm trying to think of any other company, and I think this company is the best. So if you'd have to choose one, if I would have to say choose one, choose this one. And also, by the way guys, the games are fun, and I've made a lot more tips with having a tablet in my back seat, and better ratings too. I actually did have a couple. I picked up an intoxicated couple from the bar one time. They're pretty young. They're like young in love, but also just, oh no, they were mad at me, I remember. Because I picked them up, and I'm super strict with, especially nighttime safety. I always keep my doors locked, and when I pull up, I roll down, I'll do that one. Roll down the window, and I ask him, hey, are you here for an Uber? I ask every single passenger 2 questions, especially at night when I'm doing like bar pickups. I go, hey, what's your question? And then hey, are you here for an Uber? or Lyft or whatever. And then the second one, I go, what is your name? And I make them tell me their name, right? Because if I just say, hey, are you Rebecca? She's gonna be like, yep, and then just come in and get a free ride, right? It's probably not Rebecca. This girl got offended that I asked her what her name was, because she was like, no, you need to tell me what your name is. You need to tell me your name because, you know, I'm a girl. That was her argument. I'm a girl, so you need to tell me what your name is. And I was like, no, you can check my license plate. And she was mad, she was yelling at me. And then her boyfriend was finally like, come on, let's check the license plate, let's see. And it was like, yep, it's the right car. I was like, look, I don't have any safety precautions. Like, you could be a random stranger getting in my car. I need to verify. That's the only way to verify. So she got mad, and they were getting in, and for the first 2 minutes it was super awkward because they were mad, and I had a feeling they're gonna rate me 1 star. But then they started playing the Play Octopus game, and they were like, you know how people are when they're intoxicated. They go from they go from mad to happy to sad to crying to laughing. So they were laughing up a storm back there after 2 minutes of playing the game, and I started talking to them. I go, oh, that game's so fun. You know, you could win 25 bucks, you know, if you get the top score, because that's why passengers are incentivized to play. They do, the top score earns 25 bucks, and then every time you play a game, you also get points for a $500 weekly giveaway, I think. I don't know, that might change, but basically, when the passengers play games, they get, the raffle. So I was like, oh yeah, you know, if you play enough games, you get a raffle, whatever. So they ended up leaving me a $5 tip as well. And obviously a 5-star if they're gonna tip me $5. So it is good. Also, Play Octopus, before the illness started, they used to throw these parties. They would actually travel around the country and host parties for Uber and Lyft drivers. I went to one in Orange County, in Anaheim, I believe. I'll throw up a screenshot. They posted on Instagram. They bought us all free food and hung out and gave us t-shirts, sunglasses. They were signing up drivers like on the spot too. So yeah, I mean, I have really nothing negative to say at all about them. The only, oh yeah, so here's how to make the money. I know this is what you guys are probably here for. So you get paid, because I know there's been a lot of people saying, oh no, you can't make money with them, you can't make money with them, it's a scam, which I don't know how it's exactly a scam if you don't pay anything, but regardless, so you make money in 2 ways. You get, I believe it's like 1 point for every mile you drive or something. Basically, every single time you put a mile on your car while the device is actually on, you get paid. And then also, when your passengers play the games, you get paid. So if no one's playing the games, you're not getting paid. So again, if you're doing, you know, morning rush hour commuting, they're probably not gonna be playing games, you know? You're probably doing business, people. They're not trying to play raffle games in the morning. If you do it at night though, yeah, you're gonna make more. So the thing is, you can make up to $25 per week, which comes out to around 100 to 125 bucks a month, right? However, you can make more by referring friends, or referring people. So use my referral code when you sign up, Rideshare Hub, and then in the future you'll get your own referral code. Share that with people, and I believe it's either $15 or $25 per person that you get to sign up. I know one guy, he went out to his local airport and literally signed up drivers, took them through the entire process, and literally, what did they do? What did he do? He signed them up, had them type in their referral code, and he made like $4,000. I mean, obviously, like, not everyone's gonna do that, but he was smart about it. He made an extra 4,000 bucks. So yeah, I mean, the company, the company even told me about that story, and they were like, yeah, sure, we're happy about it. You know, if he wants to go out and do free marketing for us, then great. So anyways, guys, that's it. Play Octopus. You sign up using my link down below, and again, they're in most cities nationwide. So when you sign up, just pick the nearest market. you don't have to be living in there. Like for instance, if you live in like Orange County, California, but the closest market is Los Angeles, that's fine. Even if it's 70 miles away, you're fine. That's fine. You just need to be close-ish to the place. So, yeah. Or like, if you live outside in the suburb, that's fine. Suburbs of Chicago. Literally could live 70 miles away from a major city and you'll be fine. As long as you don't live in like, I don't know, a farm, which if you're, to be honest, if you're living on a farm, you're probably not getting many Uber rides anyway. So probably not driving Uber anyway. But anyways, guys, that's it. I think those, let me know if you have any more questions. But yeah, that's Play Octopus. They're awesome. Definitely check them out if you haven't yet, if you want to make a little bit of extra cash and have a cool tablet in your car. Again, it's completely free, comes with a data plan. If you don't like it, send it back. They'll send you a shipping label. You're not paying anything out of pocket. There's literally you will not lose in this situation. If you try it out, you don't make any money on it, you don't want a free tablet sitting in your car, send it back, whatever. At least try it out. But anyways, guys, that's, oh yeah, and you do qualifications, you do have to do at least 100 rides, or is it 100 rides per month, I believe. Yeah, or 50 rides a month, something like that. It'll say on when you sign up. But yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day, guys. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye, guys.